This is a weekly market update where we start in the US, cross to Europe and Asia, and end in Australia, covering commodities and crypto along the way. Global stocks were flat, but still traded near record highs on Friday, as US President Donald Trump and his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin held what turned out to be, well, ineffective talks in Alaska over Ukraine. I give the win to Putin, while we saw more taco from Trump. The MSCI All Country World Index consolidated recent gains. It was last flat, just shy of the record level of 954.21 set on Wednesday. The Pan-European Stock 600 index finished flat, trading near two-week intraday highs, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average hit an all-time intraday high on Friday, making it the last of the major three US indices to clinch a record in Wall Street's rally, fueled by the prospect of a looser monetary policy, easing trade tensions, and upbeat corporate earnings. The Dow surpassed the previous peak, which was 45,073, that it touched on December the 4th, helped by a jump in United Health Group shares after Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway revealed a new investment in the health insurer. The Bloomberg Index is price-weighted rather than market cap-weighted, by the way, differentiating it from the indices such as the S&P 500, for which companies with larger market values carry the most weight. For the week, the S&P 500 gained 0.94%, the Nasdaq rose 0.81%, and the Dow climbed 1.74%, and even the Russell 2000 joined in, up 3.3%. The Australian share market capped a second straight weekly gain on Friday, setting a record for the fifth session in a row as the Reserve Bank cut its rate, and there were steady jobs data, which fueled bets of further easing, and cryptocurrency markets stabilized a little bit after Bitcoin touched a record 124,480 on Thursday. The ongoing rise across multiple markets scream, well, danger, Will Robinson, with the S&P 500 price to book value 5.3 times, which is higher than the previous peak back in the dot-com bubble, where it reached a mere 5.1 times before falling to a low of 1.6 times in 2009. Of course, the big AI stocks are driving the rally, but we are in danger territory, as indicated by the Nasdaq market cap reaching a record 145% of the US M2 money supply